Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would show you how I get these beachy kind of waves that I always do in all my photos on Instagram and just in everyday life. All you guys ask me all the time how I do this, so today I thought I would show you how I do it. I'll also be using these Show Pony 20-inch sandy blonde extensions and showing you how I incorporate them into the look. They just give me a little bit more thickness and a little bit of length as well, which I find always looks really nice with a nice curl. But yeah, if you like this look and you're interested, just keep watching. I thought I would show you how I get my beachy waves. I'm going to be using these. They look so weird without the hanger. They're like, ah! So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use them and we're going to get started. So when I start my waves that I do, I wash my hair, I dry my hair and I blow dry it straight. When it is wet, I use this hair treatment from 11 and this is really cool. It's not like really heavy, so that's why I like using it before I curl my hair, because if you use something really heavy your curls will drop and it just doesn't do anything. This is really good. It kind of just like makes your hair really smooth, really soft, and kind of protects it from heat as well. Like I've just straightened my hair after I've blow dried it now and it's really nice. When I'm getting ready to curl my hair, I pop dry shampoo in, even though it's already clean. I find that putting dry shampoo in my hair is really helpful in terms of adding volume and texture to my hair, especially when I'm doing beachy waves. I want a little bit more up the top here. I want the volume at the top to match what's going on down the bottom. So that's why I pop this in. So I'm just going to do that now. I just pretty much, it's nothing to it. I just bring out parts of my hair and just spray it in there. So I just do a little and then just like shake it in. And this does like leave little grey spots in your hair. I know there's one from Tony and Guy which I've got here as well, but I've actually run out of it. That doesn't really do that. But this is a Batiste one. This one smells really nice and it's kind of cheap. You can get this one at Priceline and things like that. So yeah, I've done that. It's in my hair. I'm going to shake it around a bit and that's what's going on. And then I'm going to just take my Bumble and Bumble sea salt spray. I get this one from Mecca and this just kind of adds more texture to your hair. I find when I have my hair curled with this in, it goes really nicely. So I just pop that in there and it's just like a little spritz. It does wet your hair a little bit as well, so I normally wait for it to dry before I curl, because otherwise you don't want to wreck your hair. So I just flick my hair around. Careful, there is a candle there, Isabelle. Cool. And now I pop in my extensions. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that. I do quite have long hair already. These are kind of just for volume. And I do pop them in at the bottom of my hair so that I do get a little bit more length with the curls, because I lose a bit. Everyone loses a bit when they curl their hair. I don't think I'll pop all 7 of these in my head, but we'll see how we'll go. I'll try and fit as much in as I can. But yeah. So basically what I do to pop my extensions in is I grab my comb and I section off my hair into a straight line like this. So I've got like the tiniest little bit of hair here. Look how short that is. Like it's really short. And then I just grab a little comb and I grab my hair at the roots and I tease it a little bit, just so the clips of the extensions have something to hold on to. What I do is the extensions have these little clips on them here. Let's hope that focuses there. So they've got these little clips here which you pop them open and then you just click them back closed once they're in your hair. So then I'm left with this, which looks awesome. I just follow that all the way through my hair wherever I feel like I need the volume or the length, and then I will go on to the curling. You can already see how much thicker that is, which is so good. Love. The extensions are all in. You can see that there is no, like, you can't really see like a massive difference in the color of my natural hair versus the extensions. I turn to the back and you can't really see any clips at all either. That's like the #1 rule, because you don't want to be looking at, you know, you want them to look natural. So then I move on to the curling process. So to curl my hair, don't like separate it into bits like from here, here and here. I do it all like this just because I like to have it pretty like straight through here and wavy at the bottom. So today I'll be using this VS Sassoon 25mm curler. This one's pretty affordable. I think I just got it at like Big W. And I've tried GHD and Cloud9 and all that, and I actually find that this works the best for this look. So what I do is literally grab like little bits of hair, probably like that much is probably the most that I would do. Get my curler, open that, and just turn it away from my hair. I literally hold it there for about, I don't know, like 30 seconds, and I drop it, and I do that with the rest of my head. Thought I would check in with you guys. I've just done half of my head, and this is what it looks like compared to this side. Basically just took it in pieces and curled it exactly away from my face like I showed you guys, and obviously it will drop quite a bit, but yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a lot thicker with the hair extensions as well, which I love, and I love just feeling a little bit more extra. So yeah, I'll go ahead with the other side and then I'll check in.
Can you feel me? I was checking this girl next door when her parents went out. She phoned, say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knock at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour, dressed in long black satin and lace to the floor. So I went in, we sat down, started singing, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in.
So that's all curled. When it's finished curling, I like to just spray the top of my head. I just take this hairspray, which is just the Tresemme one. I find this is a lot easier to brush out. I don't want to get it on the bottom of my extensions. I just pop it at the top, just because I get like frizzy little bits of my hair and just around my face, because it is raining outside in Melbourne, typical. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!